Hi guys, Pete back with this week's video. Singing rounds you can do in the classroom. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, separate your group into 4 sections. Let's start by getting everybody singing together, just like this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Perfect. Now that everybody's warmed their voices up, let's move on. Let's turn that into a round. Let's get one section to start singing. Then get each other section to join in. But they're going to start one bar after the last. Just like this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Nice! Try this out in your classroom. Why not leave a comment below to let us know how it went? If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or check out our website in the description below for a full list of courses you can take into your classroom. Until next time.